Joe Ebusuan Asamba bim the fabulous zone. Yeah, the fabulous quiz with 2 Bremon Nedie. Yenya contestants mienu ewa hase. The far left the Samuel Darko and my immediate left to Efeno Ekow. Omo na agya to say ne omo de with 2 dwumedie no be hyehyɛ so. Yes it's na ewie na ebe hu chale. Yenin kan bo your sponsors abaso and yeye dwumedie ewo Persons Health College Lomlava so tuom nursing school o fie na o wie school o nursing o pese o toa so Ekow nursing school o ba Lomlava so tuom aba Persons Health College. Okay, you find the dwumedie na hyehyɛ no round 1 we about Ghana football general questions every aspect of Ghana football to me ba. And then there were 12 questions in all, 6 for each. If you answer about round 2, so it's without wasting much time. No, you have to do no and shano. But am I ready? Yes, start you. Okay. Question number 1. I call Samuel Darko. Okay. Which season did Aduana win their first league title?
2010.
Season. Can you?
Season 2010.
Okay, it's 2009, 2010. 2009, 2010, right? Okay. All right, Ekow. Question number 2. Ekow there. Which year did Ashgold win their last league title?
2012.
No, please.
2008.
No. Their last league title. Ashgold. Bonus. Samuel. The last time Ashgold won their title, league title.
2004.
2004. No. It's 2015. 2014, 2015 season. Ashgold Nigeria. The last time they won a league. Do you understand? Okay, so Sammy, your main question. Elmina Sharks, which stadium do they play their home matches?
Indum Sports Stadium.
Indum Sports Stadium. Okay, Ekow, you know. Which coach qualified the Black Stars to the 2010 FIFA World Cup?
Kola.
No.
Pogda Kola.
No. Bonus.
Coach Milo Radiba.
Coach Milo. Coach Milo. Coach Milo Okay, so Sammy, a question now. All right. In 2014 FIFA World Cup, which team was Harrison Afo playing when he got the call up?
Columbus Crew.
No. Esperance de Tunis. Esperance. Harrison Afo, he was playing for Esperance when he got the call up. Okay. Now, Ekow. In 2015 AFCON final between Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire, the first player to miss Ghana's penalty was it went to penalty shootout. The first player to miss Ghana penalty.
John Mason.
No. AFCON 2015.
John Boy.
No. Bonus. Sammy. Afuye Aqua. Okay. Sammy, your main question.
Yeah.
All right. Who was the leading top scorer in the truncated league this season?
Yaya Mohammed.
No, please.
Victorian Adebayo.
Yes, Victorian Adebayo.
So the first round has come to an end, right?
No. Left with your main question. So your fourth question, Ekow, Olympics, Great Olympics. How many league titles are they having? Have they won in all Great Olympics?
3.
No.
4.
No, please.
2.
2. It's 2. It's 2. It's 2. 2 league titles. Great Olympics. Okay. A similar question to Sami. How many league titles do Sekendi Hazakis have? Sekendi Hazakis.
We have 2 Premier League titles.
No, please.
1.
One. Sekendi Hazakis. 1 league title. Okay. Your 5th question, Ekow. In the 2006 FIFA World Cup, Ghana beat USA 2-1. Who scored the second goal for Ghana?
Asamoah.
No, sir.
Jordan Ayew.
No, Jordan. That one could be. Yes, bonus.
Stephen Appiah.
Steven Tornado Appiah, penalty. No, I say. Steven Tornado Appiah, penalty. Last question each. No, your main. Okay, yeah. Last question each.
This is.
Yeah, it's your question. But your last question for round 1. Okay, now this one I'll show you a picture. Then you tell me who the person is. Okay, so 15 seconds. Who is this coach?
Coach Silastete.
Coach Silastete, Bobo. Coach Silastete. A similar question to bring us to the end of round 1. Ekow, who is this coach?
Darko Sifebe.
No, please. Chenier. Try. Bonus.
Coach Jones Atukwefio.
Jones Atukwefio. Cecil Jones Atukwefio. It was yeah, the first round ababy. It was Okono. Yako one-way traffic. Ekow. Bomodin why? Bomodin ana yam show. Okay, so this brings us to the end of round 1. Yeah, better to say score master now the results for the round 1 no abe to Germany. It's yebra odro.
Okay, so for say depends in Ekow so no. Say score master maybe the obi enya friend di kan no ebe to edwa. Na di kan no yemia Samuel. Yeah. And I'm in for the kind of say free a course. Ekow, I can't say na the kind of where we when you 3 yes. And now Emia Samuel. Our Miss Abel on 20. Wow. So why Mount One in the second round? Some Eddie, or 2 people.
Okay, yeah, Baba Trasso, round 2. And I did Bremo, score master Roberto Drew, and the Obiena Abetuja. Then Trasso, we know, they drew a purely Kotoko. Purely Kumasi Asante Kotoko questions and kwa we dear MC bi wo mbebre yakọ obomoden a obetua close gab no ba won so ba no so ko enti yire ho why enkechi. Okay, one for round 2 mention no Same start if you so. All right. Which year did Kumasi Asante Kotoko win its second Champions League title?
1983.
1983. Okay. Ekow.
Yes.
Okwa no. Judy. Okay. The name Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Who proposed that name?
JSK Frimpong.
JSK Frimpong proposed the name Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It was initially Kumasi Titans. No proposal, then it was changed to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Okay, Sammy, how many times has Kotoko been to the Champions League final?
7 times.
7 times. 7 times. Kotoko has been to the CAF Champions League final 7 times and won 2. Okay. Ekow, who became the first patron of Kumasi Asante Kotoko? First patron.
Nana Osei Prempeh the second.
Nana Osei. No, Osei Kadino. Kaniye.
Nana say Osei Prempeh the second.
Me bon Osei Kadino. Cause no mama na I change the whole way, you know. Kaniye. Oh, I saw Oba.
Nana Prempeh the second.
Nana Prempeh the second. It's Ajiman. Nana say Ajiman Prempeh the second. Not Osei, it's Ajiman. Okay. So the 3 points number or honum. Same. What is the emblem of Kumasi Asante Kotoko? Who for cry? Porcupine. Actually, word maybe 2 by porcupine. Okay, Ekow. Which year did Kotoko win the first Champions League title? Very first.
1970.
1970. Now Kotoko winning the first Champions League title. Okay, Simon. Which club did Kotoko defeat to win its first Champions League title? Which club?
TP Masimbi. Okay, Engelbert.
Okay, Engelbert. And let's say I change it, and TP. So I say from TP Engelbert. Yeah, and correct. Okay, Ekow. How many times have Kotoko won the Ghana Super Cup?
3 times.
3 times. Also, the other from Sami, who is the current chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
Dr. Professor Kwame Che.
Dr. Professor Kwame Che. We dey say one way dey fala me na munya shibu. Okay, yanko Ekow. Okay, the current board members, there is one female in the board this current board members. What's her name?
Asha.
No. Board ya nana yi obana okaho. Bonus, Sami.
Dr. Evelyn Asari.
Correct, Dr. Evelyn Asari Owusu klasa aka ho. Oh, when was we hu. We like so hu. Now I come to players and their nicknames. Now it's your main question.
Yeah.
Which Kotoko player was called Lord Zico? Opokunti was called Lord Zico. Ekow, Vimde. Aha. Which Kotoko player has the nickname Pajero?
Pokofi.
No. Pokofi. Okay. Pokofi. Oh, Pajero. Oh, maybe there so. Bonus, Sale.
Emmanuel Jemfi.
Oh, Ekow. We like say ucha. Same. Now your major question. Who has the nickname Bazereba? No. A former Kotoko player. Bazereba. No, not also free. Bonus. Ekow. Bajreba. Oh, Frank Amankwa. Your friend Bajreba. Now your major question. Okay, we're last one of the nicknames. Which Kotoko player was called Gaddafi? Vosa. David. Vosa de na David. Bonus. Michael Ekufu. Hey, Sammy. I don't know. A good trip. Wow. Sammy Nijina. Wow, fantastic. Ekow. As you say, one. Look to me, okay. Do the entry na the baby here. Who's major question? You. Okay, Sammy. Which body adjudged Kotoko as the African Club of the Century? Which body?
FIFA.
No.
Federation of African Football.
No.
Federation of Football Statistics.
No. Can you? That's how can you? Sammy Bonus.
CAF.
David. It's not CAF. International Football Federation of History and Statistics. Was Messi. Mama was that. Okay. Now let's come to your major question. Who was the founder of Kumasi Asante Kotoko? The founder of Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
JSK Frimpong.
No. That one proposed the name. Man, who founded it? Recently, Kotoko social media, I'm not around in a picture beto. If you follow the page.
He's the driver. Kwesi.
Bonus. Kwesi Kuma. Opening Kwesi Kuma. I said bye my. So when you bonus no. Okay, now Ekow, no, Sammy, your major question. All right. Who wears jersey number 17 for Kotoko now? Habib Mohammed. Okay, who wears jersey number 11 for Kotoko now? Jersey number 11. Ekow, jersey number 11.
JV.
No. Jersey wears 29.
Yakuba.
Yeah. Hey, you also carry no. No, bonus.
Maxwell
Darko. Merci. So Sammy, you made a question. Okay. Me have a child player. A former Kotoko player, no Bonidin. Okay. Who is this ex-Kotoko footballer?
Reverend Osei
Kofi. Okay. Ekow. Also, me the Kotoko ex-footballer Eba Bechro, no Bonidin. Who is this footballer?
Opoku Efri.
Me pacho David.
Opokunti.
Me pacho David.
Bailey.
Me pacho David. Yes, bonus.
Michael Osei.
No, Baba. This is Baba Yara. Okay. Last question for each. That will bring the whole show to an end. Last question, say we but the winner no or Gab no is obvious. So Sammy, right? Your major question. Okay. Which team did Kotoko play in the NC special competition final? Karela United. Yeah, Karela United. Now, last question for the competition. Ekow, where are you? Who is the chairman of the National Circles Council? Who is the chairman? Time up.
Christopher Damenya.
Okay, Ebusia, yade round 2 abbey, which brings us to the end of the competition. And so we know the winner is so obvious. This brings us to the end of the round 2. Fabulous Zone, Jumedi and Ocean. Fabulous Zone, there were all the social media platforms. Okay, YouTube, they search for Fabulous Zone, the Fabulous Zone. Ubehu TV, Red B, Ebeba. Then you press the subscribe button. Then you press it for us. You subscribe to our channel. You watch our videos. There were interesting discussions. And at the Fabulous Quiz, you so open previous ones. I call the Fabulous Zone. Or YouTube, Facebook, Ubehu ni now. Go Facebook, so then you search Fabulous Zone, you like our page. Twitter and Instagram, we are there, the Fabulous Zone. Okay, so Score Master some friend now round 2, Obiaba Unyano and Betuja. Obiana will declare the winner for today's competition.
I said you can't get travel, but the air cost on Fabulous Zone quiz. Na yade fin di kan ko wie no obi ehun de kusie na fa toss me no ai di adwuma di no plan then again wo hwe me nsani fa so a ye wo Kotoko supporter friend Ekow onya 18 round 2 on my left Sami na Samuel onya 33 of round 2 33 je kan ni na bomu a not to say round 1, Ekow na 3. I become 18 who na round 2 now. When you're 21. Sami round 1 when you're 20. And round 2 when you're 33. And in all, the second edition of Fabulous Zone has produced a winner. And the name is Samuel Darko. 53 points.
Yeah, I better Score Master Robert Odro said the other day, okay, you know, about number 2, John, say gap, no, a musu papa, move, social distancing gap. And I imagine as the victor for the day. Inti, I better and Safra, Ajua Kotoko. Na said then previously na or the Kotoko Jesse no brand new strike Jesse no Emma winner no. You better Safra no now as I present the winner for today's Fabulous Zone edition 2 quiz, Samuel Darko.
Congratulations.
Obeshama yasha na